Hey, welcome to Lynette's Pampered Kitchen. You know, food prep is a hot topic and is also a struggle for many of us. I got to show you some quick tools. Of course, you need a good knife, and in this case, you need a good straw for your strawberries because that will help take the stem right off. Voila. And you need our food prep set. So that's the cutting board I'm using right now with the slide outs for the containers. And we're going to cut up some strawberries with our cup slicer. It's a must-have. When you're cutting up vegetables and hard-boiled eggs and soft things, you need the cup slicer. And literally, it will cut a cup. And they're all evenly sliced. And I'm going to put them right in here into this container. And then I'm not going to change this up. I'm going to cut some cucumbers for snacking. I'm going on a road trip and I love to have cucumbers to snack on. So I'm going to use the cup slicer for my cucumbers as well. And you always push it down on this part and it pushes it up from the blades. You never have to touch the blades. And I can do cucumbers, I can do hard-boiled eggs, I can do grapes, bananas, a myriad of things, mushrooms, all kinds of things. So your food prep set has this with it as well to put in your fridge. Has these containers and these pull-outs, so it makes it simple. And then the cup slicer.